Hey everybody, what's up? This is Emmanuel from Dimensions Photography. You can find me on Instagram at supermanny54. You can check out my work there, check out my photos, leave comments, likes, follow if you're not already. So today we're going to jump into a great tutorial. Basically, one thing that I'm going to show you is on one of the iPhone apps using the Photoshop application. There's a few of them that Adobe has out, like Photoshop Fix, Photoshop Mix, Photoshop Express, things like that. So I'm going to show you how to use them on the iPhone, and that way you can make a pretty cool effect, similar to this burst shot that I did using Composite, just two different types of pictures and then putting them together. It was super easy, super simple, and I love how it came out. So we're going to do that right in the iPhone, free applications, so anybody can do it, right? There's no excuse, and that's the reason for this channel, okay? So let's jump right into that one. Alright, what's up everybody? So we're going to focus on these three editing apps. There's PS Express, Photoshop Mix, Photoshop Fix, the three on top. Basically, I'm just going to show you how to do how to merge layers and how to mix different pictures together to get a pretty cool effect. And you can do this all on your phone, which is amazing. So let's see, Photoshop Mix. Alright, basically we're going to try to recreate this, which I already did like 3 times. Okay, so first what you want to do is the plus button, add your image. Get your first image in. Let's see, grab your second image. Boom. Okay, so now you have your 2 images, the background and the foreground. You want to resize it to whatever you want it to be. It really doesn't matter. It's just whatever you think would look. It really doesn't matter. Just whatever you guys think looks good. So we're gonna go into the first one, and you're gonna hit cut out. So what this does. Okay, cut out. What this does is, let me go back. What this does here is that you basically are going to cut out the image, what you want. So down here, when you see the options, there's auto, smart, basic. Smart pretty much does the selection for you. So it's pretty much the best choice. You just go over it with your finger. It's going to select from the picture what it thinks is best and what you really wanted to capture or to cut out. Okay, so when you see there, you pretty much are done. I mean, it's pretty much it. If you see anything extra, you can go to basic, eraser, if you want to take off like some extra here on the side. It really doesn't matter. I mean, you'll get it as perfect as you can. So we pretty much have the image here. It's done. The biggest thing that I want to show with this tutorial is, first of all, when you go to the blending modes, this will help out a lot if you understand it. You can change the opacity of the picture. Sometimes that helps. But then when you go into the different blending modes, you can see all the different things that it does. It's pretty neat. Just play with it. Try to understand how it works. Okay, but the main thing here is when you put these two together, it's going to give you this option. This is a new option at the bottom. It's called Harmonize on Layer. So you want to click that. And what that does is pretty much makes the 2 photos into one. What that does is make the 2 photos into one. And you're able to pretty much put all the colors together and saturate everything together, whatever looks good. You'll understand a little bit what I mean.
everything is there. But all the colors, it makes all the colors, so it's basically one picture. So the good thing about this is that now when you go to adjust and you go into your contrast, you know, you can bump the contrast up. You go into your highlights, I would bring those down. Shadows, definitely bring those in. Maybe you can use a little bit of clarity, or maybe not. It's up to you. Saturation, you want to put more color into the picture, a little less out, depending on what the effect you're going for. So when you do this, you pretty much have a pretty solid picture. Oh, sorry. You have a pretty solid picture because now all the colors are united, so it doesn't look fake, it doesn't look cheap, it looks together. And as you see here, we pretty much have the final product, and that was all done just using this one app. Of course, you can mix and match this with other apps and, you know, get an awesome effect going on here. Okay, so that's how you do that kind of cool effect that you've seen me do. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial, and any questions, let me know.
Alright guys, so as you saw, it was super simple, super easy, quick. Play around with the applications, you'll learn how to use them a little bit more. You'll see how to get a finer detail when you cut out the image. Basically you can do this with any type of photo, any type of image, and then just you know, try to create some cool things. Like I mentioned, this channel is for anywhere from the beginner to amateur to professional. We're going to be touching up so many different things, but the point is to make photography simple and for everybody to do. You don't need a DSLR camera for this. You don't need any high tech, just using your simple cell phone. Snap a picture, grab a picture from the internet, put it together, and create some awesome work. Alright, man? So, guys, again, like this video if you do. Subscribe if you haven't already, and comment, share. You know, anyone who would be interested in this content, just let them know about the page, and then also check me out on my Instagram at supermanny54. Alright guys, I'll see you on the next tutorial, which will be every Friday. Take care.